introduce 4 best wireless 2-in-1 audio receiver and transmitter. Number 1, T11. Okay, my friend, T11 is Bluetooth receiver and transmitter by USB port. As you can see, this wireless 2-in-1 have a USB port for power supply, and here digital display for show transmitter or receiver. This model T11 have a AUX input and output and AUX cable, stereo audio for input or output. You can see here TX mode transmitter, output from TV and output from laptop to dongle Bluetooth, and dongle Bluetooth send audio wireless to headphone or speaker Bluetooth. And here you can see RX mode receiver. You can play music from your cell phone or tablet to dongle Bluetooth. You can receive AUX output from this cable to a speaker or amplifier. I try turn it on this dongle. Okay, as you can see, LCD turn it on, receiver or transmitter. And here you can see user manual, and for example you can see here user manual explain everything here, and here you can device use for this digital audio transmitter and receiver. Let's go to number 2. Okay, let's go to introduce number 2. Number 2, wireless 2-in-1 audio transmitter and receiver. As you can see, BT audio. You can see here receive mode from cell phone to dongle, and finally with the AUX cable to a speaker, or transmit mode, for example TV or laptop to AUX cable to dongle, and dongle send wireless to headphone, headset or a speaker. Let's go to unbox. As you can see, that's good quality. Here you can see 2 AUX jack here. One black AUX is receive audio wireless, and red AUX jack is transmit. And here have a micro USB jack for power supply and charging. This device have a battery and you can charging this device. This device no need USB for power supply. Here key for change receiver and transmitter. Have a 3 cable. One cable is AUX stereo cable, and one cable is AUX jack to 2 AV left and R, and finally is a power supply. And for charging this device you can use micro USB to USB cable for charging this device. First charge with this. Let's go to see a manual user with English language, explain everything. For example, here support protocol and Bluetooth systems, 10 meter and battery and everything here. Here you can see charging and transmitter and receiver mode, LED on off, LED light status, and finally I try connect the cable. For example, you can use for receive mode audio receiver. That's good. You can connect this AUX cable to a speaker or amplifier and audio system, and connect with the cell phone with the Bluetooth wireless audio connection to dongle. And for transmit mode, you can connect this cable, for example, to transmit, and connect this cable to audio output from TV, from laptop, and send audio wireless with this to a speaker and headphone and headset. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, wireless 2-in-1 audio receiver and transmitter. As you can see, support speakers, TV, PC, phone call, and headset. Model B12S, Bluetooth version 5, and support protocol here, Bluetooth systems, and play time up to 5 hours. And let's go to see inside. That's good. Okay, I think this option is very good quality. One key here, switch to RX receiver and TX transmit and receiver here, and jack AUX is very good quality, and converter here, that's good. This model have a battery, and you can charging this model, no need a USB power supply. Here you can charging with this cable micro USB to here input, micro USB power supply, power charging supply here. User manual here, you can see user manual explain everything, AUX port and status light, microphone. This model have a microphone. You can answer calling phone with this microphone, and here charging port, RX to X switch. Let's go to number 4. Finally, number 4, 2-in-1 wireless audio transmit and receiver mode explain here, and transmitter here. Let's see what is inside. Okay, as you can see, this wireless Bluetooth dongle have a AUX input and output from this cable. This cable, AUX cable stereo for input and out. As you can see here, LED light for switch receiver or transmitter, and here USB port for power supply, USB port 5-volt power supply. Let's see user manual. Model name is KN320, technologies BT5, and here you can see receiver mode only, operation range up to 10 meters, and pairing name KN320. That's good. You can see here user manual explain everything. I think this model is winner, is very good quality, and have a microphone for phone call. What do you think? Which one is better? Please comment opinion, very important. Thank you very much and goodbye.